the car doesn't run hot. But at the moment, as soon as we hit sort of 2300, here we go. Here's our truck getting delivered. Kansas Dodge. Are you out the front? Cool. Check it out. Does it do burnouts?
I've never tried.
You never tried doing a burnout? Even comes with performance parts. I love it.
Yeah, you'll never catch him getting on it though. That's as hard as it'll ever go right there. Let's do some burnouts, Arby.
Well, that's what I just said. Just to do burnouts. We already got a rear end here, a 9-inch for it. Let's get it in the shop.
They can't use salt because they get feet of snow, not inches of snow.
Hasn't even got any oil leaks. Yeah.
Right? What's that now? You can't use salt because you get feet of snow, not inches of snow.
Yeah, we don't have any salt anyway. There's no salt mines up there.
No oil leak stand.
Check out this cool ass tailgate.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's custom.
Oh, it's clean there, Dan.
I have to throw a wrench on that. Good enough for now. Doesn't start very good.
That's horrible.
Yeah. See right here?
Yeah.
I just noticed that. That's why the headers are in there.
Okay. Did you have the motor out of it at some stage?
No.
How it changed?
I cleaned it
Someone
up.
has
I
that.
cleaned it up, put some gaskets on
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
New water pump.
Aluminum housing.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, 440 source or whatever it is.
Yeah.
The radiator is the universal one.
Yep.
Plenty big.
Yep. Doesn't run hot.
No. It's good oil pressure, runs good. The one belt probably needs tightened.
Yeah. Awesome.
Spurs like getting.
Yeah. Love it.
He can squat.
Looks like a hot one, Foxy.
He will have it loaded and squat.
Kim's Creek's out. We're racing him to stand a quarter.
It's a plumber.
Let's get it in to get a cam in it.
This bitch, hey, this bitch needs my attention already, Arby. I'm gonna have to swing a spanner on it. So what are you supposed to keep these Mopars down to?
Oh, you got to keep them under 10,000.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a bright ID number 3227.
It almost scared me.
It almost scared you.
fucking throttle.
That's what friends are for, huh?
The fucking throttle stuck. I couldn't believe it.
Running in your new cars. Well, it's always great to catch up with our drag week season veteran Dan, all the way from Havre, Montana. Did I pronounce it right? Havre? Havre, Montana. He's had some cool cars at drag week. I think the Harry and Robbie Abbott bought last year's car, the drag week wagon.
Yep.
The Malibu.
Yep.
That you kindly donated the funds
got it.
to Scotty Taylor's young fella. So yeah, but
Yep.
Dan's always got a great story to tell, and he's always got a bunch of cars that he's teasing us with on his farm or his property up there in Montana. And being a linesman means that he's always cruising around the countryside, posting up these great barn finds.
Yeah.
And anyhow, so some time ago he posted up a picture of this stunning Mopar. It's a 1969 Dodge.
Dodge D200.
Tell us how you came to. It's a camper special too.
Camper special. This truck, because I'd had already a few other Sweptlines, a friend of mine who had done drag week before, Dusty Ward, called me and said, hey, this older guy in town, he's going to get rid of this old Sweptline, and it's big block, factory big block truck, and it's complete, hasn't run for years, and he asked us if we wanted it at the salvage yard, and we said no, so I'm calling you. So I went and talked to him, and we struck a deal, and I took it home, and minimum work cleaning it up, and runs like a dream.
Found some sucker in Australia.
Yeah, posted just one picture saying I should drive it more, what a great truck it was, and look who's buying it. So it's a factory 383 truck with a 727 automatic. Being a camper special, they wanted the big block and the towing capacity, but I put some gaskets in it and a minor tune-up to it, and she runs like a top. Had to put a new radiator in it, new water pump, new battery. Make it good for Arby on his trip. Should be good and reliable. On these trucks, the hood almost opens straight up and down, so you can pretty much crawl in there and reach anything. They're so easy to work on, tons of space, and the fenders are like the best workbench you've ever seen on any vehicle in U.S. history. They are great. They're strong. You can stand on there if you need to. But
Demonstration.
nah, I'm not that coordinated today. But yeah, she's a good old truck. I drove it on all the summers that I've had it. I threw some new wheels and tires on it to make it good and reliable for him, and some custom decals that really bring home a nice touch. It's just a good, clean, solid truck, and you just don't find them anymore. So I hope it does good for Mark.
Dorothy
Dodge.
because she comes from Kansas, and got to name all your vehicles after girls, don't you?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
Seems
Dorothy.
right.
Meet Dorothy Dodge. Dan, meet Dorothy.
I'm gonna miss you, Dorothy.
Yeah.
Be good to him.